In front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then to add an audio file, use this plus at the bottom left corner. Hit Files and look for it by tapping on Audio at the top, using one of those apps, or clicking on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, when you find it, hold it and tap on Select at the top right corner to attach it. To add a video one, hit Gallery section instead of Files. Tap on your video here if it's recent, and if it's not, select Folders and look for it here. Then click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!